My name is Preet. Today I'm introducing this beautiful detached home on the streets of northwest of Brampton. The living area of this house is more than 3,500 square feet and they have a 4-bedroom, and this house have upgrades of $75,000 with the beautiful kitchen cabinets in the kitchen, and they have a legal entrance by the builder and 2-bedroom basement by the builder finished. Yeah, let's come and take a look to this house. Come on. Beautiful cabinets. You don't gonna miss the cabinets in this house. It's a beautiful. It's upgraded, almost $40,000 to $50,000 they spent on it. Okay, call 647-390-4591. My name is Preet Singh. I'm with LEPAGE Flower City. If you have any queries about this house, give me a call, shoot out. Bye-bye.